Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today we will be doing Scratch. You can see in my screen, I've opened a project. Today we will be using the pen extension. We will draw different shapes using the pen extension, and the cat will draw it for us, the striped cat. So with no more words, let's see the results of it. So when I think that when I press the space key, it will draw a certain shape. When I press different arrow keys, it will draw different types of shapes. So let me press the space key. Yeah, when I press the space key, you can see the striped cat is drawing a blue square. And then when I press the upper arrow key, it is drawing an equilateral triangle using the blue color. When I'm pressing the right arrow key, it's drawing a circle so slowly of things so it's light green color. So after it's drawing a circle. And then when I press the down arrow key, it is drawing a polygon. So what should we do? What should we code for this? So with no more words, let's start doing. So here I'm in Scratch. So you can see no codes are here, and I've chosen the backdrop. The boardwalk and the sprite cat is here. I just repositioned it space, and let's start coding now. First, we'll start the project when the green flag is clicked. So take out the green flag. Yeah, and then choose an extension. Here in the left bottom, you can see add extension button. Click on it and you will see more extension like this. You can see music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, translate, Makey, etc. We will today do codes with using the pen extension. So yeah, blocks of pen extension come up. So now we will use this to make different shapes using this spread. So when the green flag is clicked, first let me make you understand. Erase all means all the color will be erased. And then pen down means it will draw a certain line. Like this, when I click the green flag, it's drawing. No, it's not drawing because the cat isn't moving. So how it will draw? So yeah, you can see there is a blue thing over there. So in the motion category, yes, move 10, 10 is so smaller. So move 100 steps. Oh, it's 1,000. Now when you click the green flag, look, a small or a thin line has come up. So when you use the pen down, it will draw a line for it. And then you can change the color using this. The set pen color to dash. It has been given light blue color. It's okay for me. And then you can change the set. You can give the set pen size to 1. You can change it to 10 for making it more thicker. So when we start the green flag, let me erase all so that it's not seen, and let me reposition it. So wherever it is, it will go back to its position. So go to the motion category, take the block, go to X this, Y this. It automatically repositions. So next we're gonna check the project if it's working or not. So when I give the green flag, it's drawing. Yeah, you can see a light blue color. A light blue color has been drawn here by this sprite cat because I have given the pen down. It will draw a line, and the color of the pen will be a white blue, and the thickness of it will be 10. Its size will be 10, where you can increase or decrease as you wish. And now, so let me change the color to all the thing will be the same, and just I will drag it to little purplish. And then when the green flag is clicked, whenever it will stop it will erase all this block. But in the first step, I showed you that when I press the space key, it will draw a certain shape. So this was a basic code for this one. That's what I will show you. So again, choose a sprite. click on this button, and you can see many sprites have come up for this. You can, if you drag a little bit down, you can see the cat. So so choose this cat 4 times. At least you have to choose it 4 times. So I'm clicking on it again. Yeah, come up, my scratch cats. Again. Yeah, already 4 scratch cats are there. So when they will code for each, they will first show their self and then hide after they have drawn the project. So this was the main basic for this pen extension. So now let us go to a main project, that is drawing different types of shapes. So now how will we draw it? In the pen extension, remember a rectangle has how many sides? Yeah, 4 sides. So if I go to control and if I repeat it 4 times instead of here 10, 4 times, it will move it will turn itself to 4 times. Remember, a rectangle has 4 sides and 90 degrees. So let me change it to 90, and then it will move 13 steps. So yeah, so all the other cats is hidden. I'll make it hidden because I don't want it now. I only want the main one. So when I press the green flag, let me check what is this. Yeah, see, it's doing a purple rectangle. So let me repause it. Let me take it to this and let me make it 0 and 0. When and change the upper block to just when the space key is pressed and delete the when green flag select box. So when you press the space key, it's again turning, but seems too fast. So what we'll do, go to control section and give wait 1 second, but that's too long for it. So give wait 0.5 seconds. So let's see what it does. Again, press the space key. Oh, you need to erase all, right? Erase, and then you will give this part. And then let us press the space key. Look, it's too slow now. So that's comfortable now. So all the code will be same for it. Just the repeat times will be changed for the repeat will be changed as of the sides of the shape. So if I want to draw a triangle here, equilateral triangle, then I'll set an equilateral triangle, you know, has 3 sides and it's not 90 degree, it's 60 degree. So if I change it to 3 and if I change it to 60 degree, then I can draw an equilateral triangle. So let's do it with the other cat. So I'm not showing it because you know the basic of it. So let me show you the rest of it. So before going to the rest, let me do another code that I've forgotten. Who are here that those who forgot, like me, to do some code? And after the results, I should. It's not working. Who are like me? Please comment below. I wanna know. So I showed you guys that it will not show itself. At first, it will show itself when I press a certain key, and then after making its shape, it will hide. So after it's erasing it all, it will hide itself, and when I'm pressing a certain key, it will show itself. And what's more, what you're gonna do is up to you guys, and wait for the rest. And what are going to do for the rest? So please guess. And until then, I'm coming back. Let's see whether it's working or not. When I press, oh, I need to erase it all. Okay, it's hard and erased. Okay, also. So when I press the space key, it's drawing. And yeah, it's done. So next, do it for the O. Or if you want, you can give a block that is pointing direction 90 degrees so that its direction is not ever changed. It's an extra block, but I like to click it. So do it all for the rest, but change the repeat times and the turn how much degrees. For a triangle, the repeat will be only 3 times, and for the degrees, it will be 120 times because every equilateral triangle is 60, 60, and 60. So 260 will be taken here. And yeah, it will draw a triangle now. Let me see. Yeah, it's drawn. So do it for all the same 4, and I'm gonna rewrite this to 90. Yeah, so what you're gonna don't do the same codes again and watching it again. Just click a drag, and here you can see it's moving. So just don't press at it. It will go on itself. Yeah, it came. And for the next also, yeah, it goes. And for the cat 3 also, yeah. So all it has, whereas for the cat 2, seems like it didn't work for me as I'm too much, yeah, angry with it. Now it has come, yeah. For the cat 3 also it has come. So now we will change the keys. Like for this cat, I will give up arrow. For number cat 2, I will give down arrow. And for the cat 3, I will give a right arrow. And for the sprite 1, it will be space key. For the sprite 1, it will draw a rectangle, right? And you can change the color also for different shapes. I will make it to blue. Now I'll change the triangle to 3, and it will be 120. Yeah, the triangle done, and do the rest on your own. And I'm showing the result. As you can see, I've done for the cat 3, and for the cat 2 also, I've given here turn 72 degrees for the polygon, and for the circle, remember, it will move only one step. Or if you give 100 or dash steps, it will not work. So, and then it will turn 1 degrees only because it will repeat, as a circle has 360 degrees. So let's just take a result. When I press the space key, it's drawing this rectangle. When I'm pressing the up arrow key, it's drawing the equilateral triangle. When I'm pressing the down arrow key, it's drawing a polygon for me. And when I'm pressing the right arrow key, it's drawing a circle for me. So remember to take 4 cat sprites. See, it's still now moving so softly. Yeah, so comfortable and seeing. So I hope you guys like this video in this pen extension, and wait for my next video. Until then, stay safe and fine. I love this.